Hey, good morning, everyone. Brian Hoops here, Midwest Market Solutions. This is Market Insider TV opening commentary, Wednesday morning, July the 23rd. Thanks for giving us your attention this morning and joining us as we take a look at our trading day ahead. As always, sign up at our website, MidwestMarketSolutions.com, for latest market information, where you can get newsletters, video series, as well as a text service and a Twitter feed. So make sure you do that and get signed up. Free trial of our newsletters and our TV series emailed directly to you. Overnight dollar's a little bit firmer here, probably weighing on the wheat, which is down a couple cents. Nat gas is softer once again, losing another 2+%, and crude oil pulling back from its highs that we saw on Friday. Stock market is firmer here this morning, making new all-time highs by just one tick and then pulling back from those highs. And the grains were unchanged in corn, beans up almost to 6 cents. Meal and oil share also a little bit firmer here this morning. Oats are a little bit better. And as I mentioned, wheat's down a couple cents. So let's get into it, talk about the markets. Not any big moves here coming overnight. So hopefully we'll see a little bit more movement during the day's session. Our website again, MidwestMarketSolutions.com. All right, let's talk about these markets in here. All right, weather, really not much of a change in any of the weather forecast here. Still very hot over the next 6 to 10 days for the Corn Belt. Then the temperatures moderate as we get into first part of August. This has not changed since earlier this week. And with the lack of change, confidence builds that this will be an accurate forecast. These models continue to show the same thing. That gives a lot of trade a lot of confidence that we're going to see the exact same type of conditions from one day to the next, and these forecasts will verify. August grain options expire this Friday, the 25th, and then first notice day is July the 31st. That is a Thursday morning, and that's Thursday of next week when first notice day will begin. So President Trump announced yesterday a new U.S. and Japan trade deal. Now it sets a 15% reciprocal tariff rate and includes a reported $550 billion in Japanese investments. Now that could significantly benefit U.S. agriculture, particularly beef and pork, corn and wheat and rice exports. All could be consumed by Japan. They're one of the large buyers here. It'll be a much larger buyer than anticipated due to this new trade agreement. So congratulations there. That's a great agreement. We hope to see more countries, of course, and increase our exports as a country. Definitely deserve it to have the farmers paid more for their exports amounts, get more money for their product that they work hard to deliver to us. Day one of the Wheat Quality Council Tour found hard red spring wheat yields in southern North Dakota about 50 bushels an acre. That's down from last year's 52.5. It is above the 5-year average. Actually, that's probably better than what I would have expected with crop ratings well below last year and even the average ratings. So pretty good numbers, I thought, coming out of this section of the tour. Of course, that tour continues today and tomorrow before they wrap things up. Friday, coming out this Friday, Cattle on Feed report comes out at 2 o'clock Central Time. The semi-annual cattle inventory report and the monthly cold storage reports will be released at the same time. A Bloomberg survey has on-feed supplies 99.1%, placements at 98.2%, marketing's at 96.2%. So it looks to be a somewhat friendly report overall. Supplies expected to remain tight, placements really not increasing. We're going to have tight supplies all the way through, looks like third and into the fourth quarters of this year. Show lists are down 9,500 head this week, suggesting at least steady to probably higher cash cattle trade this week. We have not seen any bids. Asking prices, packer margins at $198 in the red. They are slowing the kill speeds, trying to prop up those boxes, which means they may not have to buy as many cattle, but I sure believe the feedlots will be digging in their heels, wanting some steady money or possibly higher this week. Have a great day of trade, everyone. Good luck and good trading. This has been Brian Hoops for Midwest Markets. I will be on RFD TV this morning, Thursday, and Friday mornings talking about these markets.